Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the adapter plate in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new adapter plate. The adapter plate is mounted on top of the sump housing. It serves as support for the lower spray arm and assists in distributing water to the lower, middle, and upper spray arms. The main reason why the adapter plate should be replaced is if it cracks, causing low water pressure at the spray arms and as a result, dirty dishes. Ugh. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Roll out the lower dish rack and then we can pick it up. So this is the lock nut. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise looking from the top and pull it off. To remove the adapter plate, we need to remove these 4 1/4-inch screws. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver, and we're going to take them one by one out. Now we need to open these 2 tabs. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. Pop it open and pull this out. I'm gonna do it again. And there you go. This is the old adapter plate next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install the new adapter plate by first putting it onto the water supply tube. I'm going to push it on so it will lock the side tabs. Make sure it's locked. Then we're going to install it. Push it down, and we're going to secure it with the 4 1/4-inch screws. And I'll place them in first, manually, and I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to tighten them. Okay, now we're going to place the spray arm on. To install the spray arm, we need to put this into the opening here. And there's 4 tabs on the sides going to lock when we're going to turn the lock nut clockwise looking from the top. And now we can install the lower dish rack and push it in. And at the end we're going to close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.